Here we're showing the 10 by 12 EZ-Fit Homestead Shed kit. This kit comes with a double 30 by 36 window on the side. This window includes a set of shutters, and we're showing the optional flower boxes. We'll move around to the front. We have a set of 60-inch double doors. Double doors include our American-made lock set, transom window, as well as the decorative 12-inch decorative hinges. And we'll go ahead and take a look on the inside. We have the panelized wall sections, 4-foot panelized walls for easy construction. We're showing the 2 windows, and we also have the optional loft on this particular model. Loft is available on any of the structures. Also, we have the roof trusses, 24 inches on center. And again, this is a 10 by 12 EZ-Fit Homestead.